Hi, I'm Mike Baker. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to program and operate your MTI Generation 2 529 series chair. A full account of all the details can be found in the user manual, including how to program your preferences using the controls. The 529 comes standard with a foot control. There is an optional hand control. Refer to your user manual for additional information on the hand control. The foot control comes standard with 4 program positions labeled here P1 through P4. Your position controls include lift, back, tilt, foot extension, then you have your home button, swivel, and your stop button. To extend the foot section, push up on the foot section button, and to retract, push down on the foot section button. You can also extend and retract the foot section on each side of the foot section by pushing these buttons. These chairs come standard with SmartTech technology, which is a combination of smart safety and smart controller. One smart safety feature stops the chair from overextending to protect patients and providers from unsafe positions. Another smart safety feature is safety lockout, also known as child lockout. To enable safety lockout, simply press the stop button twice, back up, stop. The chair will beep you, letting you know it's locked. You can notice that I cannot move the chair. To disable the safety lockout, stop, stop, back down, stop. And it will beep at you, let you know that it is disabled. The smart controller includes a stack of intelligent features from the central computer of the chair. Those include user program modes, which is maintained or momentary positioning, hibernating state, which the chair goes to sleep after 60 minutes, and soft start and stop motors for smooth patient positioning. The 529 series comes standard with slide back patient arms. To insert the arms onto the chair, slide the mechanism forward, and with one hand, put it into the spline, which is in the back. One great feature of the 529 series is that it has a debris tray. It's a full stainless steel debris tray that is removable. You can see the sides are also stainless steel for easy cleaning. Another great feature of the 529 is the little to no maintenance needed on the chair, including no lubrication. For cleaning and disinfection, refer to your MTI cleaning disinfection policy, included in your manual. For any additional information, please contact our technical support at 801-875-4990 or email us at technical.support@mti.net.